Hey YouTube people, this is Shane. I just wanted to show you a do-it-yourself hydrographics dipping tank I did. I know it's not stainless steel, everybody downs plastic here and there, but I got this tank. It was 85 inches long by 42 wide by about 30 deep, which is perfect for what I need. It wasn't expensive. It was only about I think $406 out of Ohio, and the shipping was a little bit expensive. If you have it shipped to a business, it's a little cheaper, about $150, but it's good polyethylene tank, heavy duty. I did build a frame for it so the sides wouldn't bulge out. It's basically a chemical containment tank. I got some wheels, some heavy duty casters that I got at a recycling place for just the weight of them. They were like $8, which is very cheap. And let me walk around and show you what I've done here. Of course, you can see homemade system here, PVC. This is the other end of it. If I need to take the tank off, I disconnect it right here. That piece just comes right out. The other piece I disconnect is right here. Where I drilled a hole and put a fitting in there and just got a union there. And that union, basically those are the only two things. Everything else is on the frame that I built. The pump is out of it's a spa pump. This whole setup is basically the heater. Everything is out of my spa that I no longer use. I've got a valve there to shut the water off if I have to, or decrease it, or increase it. That is my drain. I built this little setup here. This is a box I got it. We'll just say Home Depot or Lowe's. They both carry them. That's my gun I got for shooting the activator, and the other one's for the primer. Pretty cheap setup for 65 bucks at Home Depot. You can get the set. They're Huskies, and they're really nice guns. They work great for this, for the activator. This is the, this ain't got all the digital timers, and it doesn't have all the buttons and bells and whistles, but it does everything I need it to do. If I need to turn the spa up for the temperature to 90 or whatever, you'll see the light come on. There it is. And as soon as it reaches a temperature, it will shut the heater off and still be in cycle mode. Sorry about that. And I've also got, I don't need the blower on this. I didn't need that. I deactivated that. The mode switch is there. I got a light that I'm going to put in later if I need it. See if it's too dark because it is a black tank. But there's my Jet 2. On the one, the Jet 2, I hooked it up if I really need to flush it. This was the dam I built. That just comes right out, and that piece of aluminum. Again, got that at the salvage yard. This is a piece of HDPE. It's a HD high density polyethylene, half-inch thick, and I bought a welder off eBay and welded it, plastic welder gun, and I welded it into the tank for my dam. Worked out pretty good. I get let's see, it's about a 360 gallon tank, but it seems to do the trick. It's going to be fine for what I need. If I need my timer, I have it set for my, all I got to do is hit start. I got this set. You got 3 different settings. I got 1 minute for once I put my film in the water. I set it. It counts down, and it's got a pretty good buzzer on it when it's done. And then I've also got one for the different ones for if I'm painting or whatever, and I gotta wait 5 minutes. So it's just, you can use it for whatever you want, but it's a cheap setup. Not real cheap, but cheap enough for what I needed. But anyway, yeah, this is my my homemade hydro dipping tank. I know a lot of people say plastic sucks, it's no good. but I don't see any problems. The only thing I did have to do is fill it with water, check for bulges and this and that, and that's when I put in these little gussets here. I put them all through here so the tank is all square all the way around. I put gussets down the bottom. And I've got fiberglass wrapped plywood on the bottom. And there's a timer which you can hear very well. And it counts down as you've missed it here and there a little bit longer. But again, just a lot of stuff from Granger, Home Depot, just different things. A lot of it's PVC. The biggest thing was just trying to figure it out, what I wanted, how I wanted to do it, and that's about it. Well, I hope you all enjoy it. Like it if you do, and I'm going to get to dipping. Take care.